Hey everybody, it's Steve here and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Steve. So this episode is going to be for Thanksgiving. I'm going to be showing you guys one of my favorite dressings for ham, which is a pineapple chutney. It's a Dijon pineapple chutney. So for this recipe, it's really simple. We got some onion, pineapple. We have some Dijon mustard. We got some of the Sandy Mush Smoking Co. Jamaican hash or Jamaican Blaze hash blend spice, and over here we have some wine. I'll talk about that in a little bit. But basically, what's going to be happening, and again through the miracle of video editing, we're going to be showing you the process itself. But basically, I'm going to be caramelizing the onions a little bit, adding in the pineapples, sauteing and reducing it in its own juices, about a half a cup of pineapple juice. Adding in some of the mustard and spice, and that's pretty much it. It's going to be about 15 minutes worth of simmering just to soften the vegetables up a little bit, soften the onions and pineapple up a little bit, and then that's it. This goes great with ham. You could have it on the plate with the ham. You could have it like as a coating for some sandwiches. Some pineapple chutney, brie, some field greens and some ham makes an awesome sandwich for the day after. Yeah, so that's the recipe we're making. Thanks. So Beaujolais wines are drunk. I don't even know how to say that, but either way, drank or drunk, within the same year. You don't age a Gamay grape. You don't age a Beaujolais grape. But you do if it's a Côte de Brouilly. I'll put that information up here, you can find it. But a Côte de Brouilly, that's a Grand Cru Beaujolais that you can actually age. And that's one of the wines that I'll be drinking on Thursday for sure. And the other one is this one. So I would say a Beaujolais, again, is a very light-bodied, light-tasting wine. Kind of got a tart cherry thing going on. Works great with just about any food. And then this one, however, is a Burgundy, a Bourgogne. This is a Pinot Noir from Burgundy, and it's called Moret Saint Denis. This one's a little more pricey than a Beaujolais, but it's a great dry Pinot Noir. Not like the typical Pinot Noirs from Oregon or from California, which can be much more full-bodied. But yeah, so some really classic Burgundian Pinot Noirs or a Beaujolais, which is a nice Gamay grape, will set you up just fine. Or if you like the whites, either go with something acidic like a Sancerre, or maybe something a little more on the fruity, earthy side, like a Riesling, or something from Alsace would be great. Any white grape from Alsace, Lorraine, from that section of France that goes back and forth between France and Germany. That would also be a pretty good Thanksgiving wine. So enjoy, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the chutney with your ham. Talk to you guys later. Love you. Bye.